If you say something is back-breaking, it means it is physically demanding and exhausting. Many people traveling to Australia work on farms, but they are often surprised to find out how back-breaking the work is. I am always amazed when I think of the back-breaking work that must have gone into building the pyramids in Egypt. Slaves were often mistreated, tortured, and subjected to arduous back-breaking work on cotton plantations. I hate doing gardening. It's such back-breaking work. So remember, back-breaking work means work which is physically demanding and exhausting. Now you have the confidence to use the idiom back-breaking work. Can you think of any other ways to use it? Let us know in the comments below.